this is what happens when you realize I gotta take a bigger bag. Okay, that's what I gotta do. I filled my backpack with everything but the shirts, and it's already pretty full. Yep, change of plans. Shirts. How many shirts should I take? Well, that is one of those where you definitely want to have at least one per day. One per day, minimum. Because you just never know how hot and sticky and sweaty you're going to get. And if that's the case, then you better have enough shirts. If you're lucky enough to get a place with washer that you could wash your clothes and dry them. Well, it happens to be, if you do, by all means, pack 4 or 5 of each thing and go light. For me, I'm going to have to go a little bit heavy on the clothing. So it may mean I don't get to take that, which I would love to do, because I hate hassling with my checked luggage. I hate it. Oh yeah, the bigger suitcase is out, and it's almost got all my clothes in one half of it. So what am I going to do with the rest? Now I can take 2 pairs of shoes and something else, and make sure I have enough plastic bags to hold my dirty laundry. We'll see how it goes. This was the thing I was worried about not bringing. I knew I had to, and I was concerned because it's big and bulky, and how is it going to fit in my backpack? So now that I've got this, I'm going to put it in here. So that takes up another little bit of room. I'm happy that it's there, and that means I can take some really good night pictures while I'm there. I'm sure I'll share with you later. But I do like a backpack when I'm lugging this suitcase around. And since I rented a car, lugging this suitcase isn't going to be that bad either. So, yeah, I think this is working out well. So, this is probably my replacement for this. And the reason is, I thought I could fit all my gear, my video recording gear, my camera and stuff in that, but instead I have it here. So looks a bit like a mess right now, and I could probably be judged for this. The reality is I need a place for my gear, and so this all fits pretty well in here. This is probably going to stay out, but I will find a way to make it all work. I just bought this one, the suction cup mount. I just bought this one this week so I could take better pictures with my Osmo Action camera. And I also have another mount here that I can put on it, a little different cage, so that I can mount finally a good microphone. This one's the Rode Wireless Micro one here, and that'll be on the plane with me, probably with some goodies and some other stuff. So pretty much done packing. This looks like a lot of wires and things, and yes it is. It's my adapter for overseas. And this one, I actually have the other adapter too for English, but this is for England. This one is specifically for going to Europe, and they use these 2-prong outlets. When you're traveling, you got to remember there's all these different things to think about. If you don't, not everything plugs into the same plugs we have. We use a little different voltage, and we use a lot of our things are different. So I have one of these. I really love that it does this. It has that convenience. So I actually use this a lot at home. It's in very good shape, and it's a USB adapter, so I can plug whatever I need to, which is pretty much everything. I always pretty happy to have this going with me. It is 3 different types of chargers, so this will help me out greatly because everything runs on electricity. Okay, I didn't get cute. That wasn't likely to happen. Alright, so I knew I was taking this trip. I knew I'd be on the plane, and of course, you know, I'm pretty confident wherever I'm going. But KN95 masks I bought for this trip because I wanted to be as cautious as I could be. I know there's no perfect plan to prevent the Rona from hitting you. So, but I thought responsible people need to do responsible things. And so I bought a pack of 5. I'm going to be taking them with me. Yes, I made it. Like, that's hard to do. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so. How many fails are we going to have? Let's try this again. Yes! Yes! You didn't see that. Hey, good talking to you. Hope this helps you out in the long run. Knowing how to pack, get ready, be prepared. I have lots of other stuff, hints and tips that I'll be sharing. But I really want to share how my trip's going to be next week. I'm pretty excited. I hope you are too. All right. Kelly signing out. Again, smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Be prepared. Come on. Be a part of this fun. I'm having a ton of it.